Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download GTA 5 on PC and laptop. So first of all, what you have to do is open your web browser and open google.com, and in the search bar type in download GTA 5, hit enter, and it will open this page. Select the top search result and make sure the search result is not sponsored. This page will open. Simply click on the cross button on the top right corner. You will see now available for PlayStation 5, Xbox Series and PC as well. Click on buy now. So you have two options, Grand Theft Auto Only 5 and the Grand Theft Auto Online Only. So you can select any of them of your choice. So I will select this one. Select platform, select PC. It will open a new tab. Now it will show you the price of the game. It is right now $29.99, which is $30. If you want to buy the game, click on buy now. But let me tell you another thing. If you go into the Steam, if you download Steam on your computer and open Steam, and in the store of the Steam search GTA 5, and if you scroll down, you will see the Grand Theft Auto has been on discount only for $15. You can buy GTA 5 for $15. So I suggest you to buy from Steam. But if you still want to buy from the official website from GTA 5, then simply open your web browser, click on buy now button and give your card information. Once you give your card information, an installer file will be downloaded on your computer. Simply click that installer file and it will automatically download GTA 5 on your computer. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.